Excellency, I'm very pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly to the City of Republic and wish you a very happy Christmas. Please convey these efforts to the President, people of the Republic of Iran. Warmest wishes for the continued well-being of this country. And welcome to Fiji. Hello. Ma'am? Fiji needs more rain.
Not so much this part of the island, but it's, it rained most of the night until the invasion of the moon. We carved this line. They said that much. And then you